English essay. A visit to a fair. A visit to a fair. On the day of Mahashivratri, a fair is held near the temple of Lord Shiva. I visited the fair with my cousins. There were many small stalls selling items like crockery, toys, and bangles. The stalls were decorated with colorful ribbons, balloons, and lights. A few stalls were playing popular film songs. There were refreshments stalls also. A photographer had his studio in a small stall. People were dressed in new colorful clothes. There was hustle and bustle everywhere. There was trading and merrymaking. There were many amusements like the giant wheel and the merry-go-round and the magic show. A juggler was showing his tricks in a corner. There was a puppet show also. We had some snacks. I enjoyed myself at the fair. Thank you, friends. Please like, share, and subscribe.